Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the exact user account and that you know the primary password. This avoids locking yourself out after reboot. Once done, verify the keyboard layout is correct because symbols and numbers can change when layouts switch. Make sure your 2FA device or recovery code is at hand. If the system requires multi-factor verification, you'll need it immediately after restart. Now restart and watch the login screen closely so you can act without delay. When you reach the login prompt, type the password deliberately and check caps lock. Errors here are the most common cause of a failed login. If you use a password manager that integrates with the OS, unlock it first so copy-paste fills correctly. Otherwise, paste can fail on some secure screens. If the system asks for a recovery key or PIN, provide exactly the requested item rather than switching methods. Take a breath and submit. Small pauses reduce typos and repeated lockouts. Once you're logged in, immediately confirm saved credentials and autofill settings so the next restart is smoother. Make sure recovery options are enabled. An alternate email, phone, or an encrypted recovery key prevents lengthy lockouts. If the login still fails, reboot into recovery or safe mode and use the system's reset or password recovery tool. This is slower but preserves data. Key troubleshooting tip. If repeated failures happen, verify keyboard layout and physical key function before attempting resets to avoid unnecessary steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.